Good evening. Tonight, I'll show you how to apply for a Thailand Pass to visit Thailand without having to quarantine. Let's start by visiting the website at tp.consular.go.th and clicking Air Travel, assuming you'll be flying, of course. You must have received the standard number of doses of an approved COVID-19 vaccine for at least 14 days, or test negative for COVID by a professional within 72 hours of your departure. You must also be insured for at least $10,000 worth of medical expenses while in Thailand. Naturally, you must have electronic documents proving all these in hand. For example, as someone living in the UK, I can obtain a COVID pass from the NHS app and a proof of cover from Aviva. Okay, let's say you're not a Thai national. Select that, and the website will only be available in English. Select the no quarantine plan, read the disclaimer, accept it, and click confirm. Then you may enter the details of your trip. Click register, and you'll be shown another disclaimer. Read through it and click confirm again. Next up are your personal details and the details of any dependent children under the age of 18. You should also attach scans of the pages of your passports with your photos and personal information. Afterwards, you may provide the details of the COVID vaccine or test you have taken and attach the corresponding certificates. Please be aware that, depending on the type of vaccine you have taken, you may have to provide the details of 1 or 2 doses. Accept the terms and go to the next page, where you may enter the details of where you'll be staying in Thailand, your home address, and an emergency contact. And now, travel insurance. If you're not insured yet, you have the opportunity to buy some insurance on the spot. Otherwise, you may simply enter your policy number and attach the proof of cover from your insurance company. Tick all the boxes, add any other country you have been to in the 14 days before your arrival in Thailand, and click next. You are almost there. Double check your details to make sure they're all correct, click submit, and you'll be given a confirmation number, which will also be emailed to you. It may take up to 48 hours, but I got my pass within half a day. While you may store your pass on your phone, I prefer to print a hard copy along with my other documents to show immigration, just in case. Thank you for watching. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. If you do subscribe, please remember to click the bell as well. I'll see you soon.